advantage of learning about homes coming on the market before they're actually on the market, and a VIP opportunity to buy first. And you don't have to keep checking. Just enter what you're looking for at chomesfirst.com, and you'll get a text alert when a new seller in your area and price range decides to sell. Before there's a sign in the yard, before it's on the market. Sign up today at chomesfirst.com.
Nate here, owner of Blue Sky Pest Control. Warmer temperatures are triggering scorpion and other pest activity in and around Arizona homes. Call Blue Sky Pest Control today for $50 off an initial pest control service when jumping onto any Blue Sky 365 pest control program. The friendly technicians from Blue Sky stop bugs in their tracks while treating your home for bugs and pests before they spread. Go to blueskypest.com or call 602-BLUE-SKY. Better technicians, better service.
Fucking NASCAR racer now?
Business owners and professionals face
Hug the
special
wall
challenges
and
in divorce
touch the
court.
line.
In addition to everything else going on, they have to contend with allegations that they are earning more than they are, coupled with claims on their business or practice itself. Attorney CPA Joe Corey